So what is a sales funnel? How does it work, and why is it so important to have one? Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Jonathan. If you guys are brand new here, go ahead and give this video a like. Go ahead and subscribe. Let me know exactly what's your biggest question when it comes to starting an online high-ticket business. I would love to go ahead and help you guys. I will really answer all of your questions. Now, in today's video, I want to go ahead and talk to you guys about what is a sales funnel, because I realized that I've talked to you guys and I created videos about sales funnels and the importance of sales funnels and why you should have one, and what's the best sales funnel to have. But I realized that not a lot of people would know what a sales funnel is. And sometimes I have to take a step back and really explain to you guys, okay, this is exactly what a sales funnel is, and this is exactly why you need a sales funnel. And that's exactly kind of why I wanted to go ahead and make this video for you guys, to really explain that to you guys and give you guys some more information about sales funnels and why they're so important. So let's go ahead and start with the question, what is a sales funnel? Guys, sales funnels is not something new. Sales funnels is something that's been around for years and years and years. Ever since somebody sold something, sales funnels have been around. McDonald's has a sales funnel, right? They literally tell you, they advertise a burger, you go buy the burger, and then they say, hey, do you want some fries with that? And then they upsell you the fries. And they say, hey, do you want a drink with that? And then they upsell you the drink. That is a sales funnel, right? That is a sales cycle that you are going through when you go buy a McDonald's. Restaurants have sales funnels. You go in for the restaurant, the first what do you want to drink? You get the drink, you get the appetizer, and then you get the course meal. And then hey, do you want some dessert? Or do you want some wine? Do you want a drink? Do you want anything else? They're trying to make you spend more money, right? They're trying to make you spend more money in their store, in their restaurant. For example, grocery stores have sales funnels as well too. For those little, when you go buy, let's say you go buy a carton of milk or eggs. Why do you think they put it all the way in the back of the store? They put the milk and the eggs all the way in the back of the store because you have to walk through a whole bunch of stuff, and it's difficult to walk through a whole bunch of stuff that you like and not get it. And then what happens when you go to the cash register? What do they have there? They have a magazine that's going to catch your attention. They have, candy that's going to catch your attention. They're going to have gum. They're going to have Altoids. They're going to have the chocolate bars and all that stuff that's going to catch your attention. That is the whole purpose of that, to go ahead and get you to spend more money in their store. That is the whole purpose of that. Now, I'm going to give you guys one more example of a sales funnel. For example, when you go buy an Apple product on their website, the first thing is you pick the product, right? And then you pick the gigabytes, and then you pick the memory, and then you pick the size, and then you pick the color, and then you pick all of this stuff that just keeps adding more stuff, right? That keeps adding more to the price of the product that you went in for. And that is the whole purpose of a sales funnel. The whole purpose of a sales funnel is to first go ahead and get them to convert at a higher level, right? And then get them to spend more money on your store. That's literally the whole purpose of the sales funnel. And now, obviously, there's different types of sales funnels. There's lead generation sales funnels. There are, mid-ticket sales funnels that has upsells, downsells, and then there's high-ticket sales funnels. So let's go ahead and really break those down so you guys can have a better understanding of that as well. By the way, guys, if you guys find this helpful, what I'll do is I'll leave a link down below where you guys can actually book in a call. I would love to see if I can actually help you guys start and grow your business in the next 90 days. So I'll leave that link down below so you guys can book in that call, and let's get back to the video. So when it comes to lead generation sales funnel, right? If you want more leads, it's very simple, guys. This one is one of my favorites. It's literally just traffic to an opt-in page, right? An opt-in page, where in this opt-in page you give something away for free, either a checklist, either a free ebook, a free guide, a free video, something that you created, right? Something that you created that's extremely valuable, and you just put it in here and you say, hey, do you want this for free? If so, give me your email, right? Give me your email. And then you go ahead and collect their email address. And then later on, I'll tell you why this email is the key to this, right? Later on, I'll tell you why this email is the key to this. So the whole purpose of this opt-in page is for them to give you the email in exchange for something. So I can tell you, hey, do you want to go ahead and get these glasses? Just go ahead and give me your email address, and then I'll give it to you. This is your first interaction with your client. This is your first interaction with your ideal client. So you have to make sure that what you're giving them is extremely valuable, because if not, they're going to see that it's not valuable. They're going to be like, oh, wow, that was a waste of time. And they're not going to download anything from you again, because they know that what you give is just not good. So you want to make sure that what you're giving to them as the first interaction is extremely valuable, and it really gets that itch that they have. So if whatever it is, if it's hey, how to go ahead and get clients using YouTube, make sure that the video that you created, or make sure that you get the guide or the checklist that you created, scratches that itch, right? Make sure it does that, because if it doesn't, then it's not going to convert. Now, you also want to make sure that the headline, right? The line has a lot of curiosity, because if it doesn't have curiosity, they're not going to go ahead and get them to give you their email address. You know, the goal of this opt-in page is to convert around maybe 70% of visitors. If we can convert 70% of visitors in the opt-in page, that's extremely, extremely good. We want to go ahead and convert at least 70%, so we can go ahead and be able to send 100 people to this page and get 70 emails. And I'm gonna tell you why that's important. So the second thing that you can do right here is actually just send it to a thank you page. Thank you page, right? Thank you page. You can go ahead and send it to a thank you page, or you can go ahead and actually sell them something at this point. Now, if this is just a lead generation funnel and you're not actually selling them anything, all you have to do is send it to a thank you page. And then I would have, you know, step one, you know, check your email, blah, 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 blah. Step two, do this. Step two, join my free Facebook group. So you can go ahead and funnel people to your Facebook group as well, if you have one. If you don't have one, then obviously forget about this. This is the perfect lead generation funnel, right? Because you're getting their email addresses, and then you also funnel them down into your Facebook group. But the most important thing is, like, for example, if you send 100 people, right? If you send 100 people to this page right here, you're gonna go ahead and get 70 emails. And at this point with 70 emails, you can go ahead and do a lot, right? You can go ahead and create your email sequence, which should be based on value. It should be 80% value and then 20% sales. Your email sequence is not about just selling. It's about actually giving value to your ideal client. What you want to go ahead and do with your email is actually educate them. You don't want to just go ahead and say, hey, buy now, buy now, buy now. Remember, it's 80% value and then 20% offer. You got to keep in mind what they downloaded, right? They downloaded something for a reason. And if they downloaded that, it's because they're interested in that. They want more help in that. They need that they downloaded, right? We know that we can give them something away for free, and hopefully they get some results with it. But a lot of people won't. A lot of people won't get results with it because they probably need more help. And that's where your emails come into place. Giving them more help, you have to keep in mind your ideal clients right here, and they want to go ahead and get to right here. Your lead magnet should get them to point B, and then your email should get them to point C, D, E, F, but they still got to get from point F to point Z. And that's when you say, hey, if you want more help, go ahead and book in a call. Go ahead and do this. Go ahead and buy my course. Go ahead and join my program. If you need more help doing this, this, and this, and this, go ahead and join my program. And then that's when they go ahead and say, hey, obviously this person has given me a lead magnet. They have helped me with their emails. They gave me so much value. They took me from point A to point B to point C to point D. Now I think I'm ready. I trust that person to go ahead and get me to point Z because they have actually helped me in the past. And this is the whole purpose of the opt-in, of the lead generation funnel, is to go ahead and get a lead and be able to follow up with them via the email. It's not about selling something. It's about just nurturing that relationship with your ideal client. So now let's go ahead and move on to the second core funnel, which is like just the regular sales funnel, right? At this point, what we want to go ahead and have is have an SLO, a self-liquidating offer. So a self-liquidating offer is something that you actually sell for a very small price. So it could be, you know, a free plus shipping offer. It could be a $47 product. It could be a $27 product, $17 product. The whole purpose of this, right, is to go ahead and create a customer. It could be $7 for all I know, right? It could literally be $7, $27, whatever it is. And the whole point of this is to kind of liquidate the traffic, the paid ads that you're doing, right? So if you're running traffic, if you're creating traffic and you're paying for this traffic, you're going to lose some money, obviously. Now, at this point, the whole purpose of this is to go ahead and get them to, you know, buy something so you can liquidate the offer and you can acquire a customer completely for free. And this is actually a very powerful thing to go ahead and do. Now, after you go ahead and have that self-liquidating offer, you want to go ahead and have your main offer. Your main offer. And your main offer at this point could be, I don't know, something that you sell for $97, $47. Now, it can be, you don't want to make your main offer just yet, or whatever it is that you're selling after your self-liquidating offer at $1,000, $2,000, because it's probably not going to convert too well, because they can't jump, I'm thinking about it, they're jumping from $7 to $2,000. So you want to go ahead and kind of build your way up. So at this point, I would probably sell something from $47 to, you know, $97. I've seen that works really, really well, and keep that as my main offer to go ahead and get obviously more money from my client that I'm selling. And then from here, what you want to go ahead and do is have upsells. Then you want to go ahead and have upsell number one and sell it for a greater number than this. So if I'm selling for $47 or $97, I'll probably go here for $140, 147 or 197 or something like that, right? $147, and then I'll have another upsell for, you know, $397, and I'll probably end it right there. So I'll have 2 upsells. The whole purpose of this is, like, for example, if they come in, right? They come in, your ideal client literally just comes in here, and then they buy this product. Then they're gonna hit up with this offer, and they're gonna be like, oh, I want that too. And then they're gonna come here and they say, oh, that sounds amazing, let me get that. And then they're gonna come here and they're gonna say, hey, that sounds fantastic, let me go ahead and get that as well. At that point, you just got your client to give you a lot of money with a $7 offer. So you got the client, right? So you self-liquidated the ad cost. So the ad cost at this point is self-liquidated because of this offer, and then everything else over here is pure profit. Literally everything else that you do on the back end, back here, is now pure profit. So you can literally just keep advertising into this funnel breaks, and you can literally just turn this into $1 million funnel. Because I mean, think about it. Let's say easy numbers: 100, and then 200, and then 300. So 100 plus 200, that's 300, plus 300, that's 600. So you are getting $600 per customer. $600 per customer. How many of those do you need, right? How many of those do you need to make this a profitable funnel? You can literally build this out and be able to get so many clients that way. You're advertising for free because you have a sell liquidated offer, and then your main offer is $47.97, and then your upsells are making you even more and more profit. Obviously, we know that advertising costs are going up, so your sell liquidated offer has to be able to convert. So you probably want to increase it to $17, $27, but that's kind of the whole purpose of this funnel. And I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this in the past, that you say, okay, I buy something and then I get hit up with another offer. I want that as well, and then I want that as well. And this is the perfect example of, hey, I advertise the burger, and then I upsell fries, I upsell my drink, I upsell McFlurry, and that's kind of the model that McDonald's follows. And look where McDonald's is at. Obviously, they do it in person. This is about doing it online. Now, and this brings me to my last core funnel, which is the high ticket funnel. The high ticket funnel is probably one of my favorite ones because it's very, very simple. All you have to do in the high ticket funnel is just have a video. It's usually like a video inviting them to go ahead and, you know, a case study, right? So it's usually a case study, whatever. Have a case study in this funnel right here, and then inviting them to book a call. To book a call and apply. Now, it's very hard to go ahead and get people, right? So to run traffic to this funnel. Because these people, think about it, this is a high ticket service. So this is probably something that you're gonna be charged, you know, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $10,000 for. And if people don't know you, like you, and trust you, they're not gonna go ahead and apply, and they're not gonna go ahead and buy your product. So you have to make sure that you deliver value ahead of time. That's why a lot of people start with this, right? They start with this, the opt-in funnel, the lead generation funnel, and then in one of these emails, they just invite them to this case study. They invite them to this case study where now they're like, oh wow, this person got this result, they got this result, they got this result. They can actually help me, and then they go ahead and book in a call and apply. Also, people can go ahead and start with this, and then invite them to a case study later on. Because think about it, they just gave you some money, so they're expecting results out of that, and then they'll go ahead and come to your case study. So if you want to go ahead and get appointments, if you want to go ahead and get clients using, you know, high ticket funnels, what I would do is create something for free, right? Create something for free, create an opt-in page, and then have this process go out for like 5, 6, 7 days, and then invite them to book in a call or watch your case study funnel, your case study video, your high ticket funnel, and then they can come and apply and give you money to work with you one-on-one. So guys, that pretty much concludes this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give this video a like. Go ahead and subscribe. Let me know what's your biggest question when it comes to creating sales funnels just in general. So guys, other than that, thank you so much for your time, and I'll talk to you guys later.